sensor.
Don Luke Electronics. The Alpha Geek, Geeking Out. Project number 16, Sound Sensor, Mk28.
The sensor here for sound. LED's ear, Arduino and expressive ear, baseplate ear, screen here, speaker here, cable for computer and expressive, so programming here, battery.
DF robot.
Now the programming here, Arduino here, and screen here, LED's ear, sound sensor here, and speaker here. Programming here, pins here, and tools here. The programming here, tools for library here, sound here, speaker here, pixel here, screen for here, here, and prom here, and date, the version here. Sound first, sound here, a delay here, and perfect. Screen here, undo can this and this, and after the here for loop here and here. Prom here, this the pixel here, sound here, setup high here and low here. So good. Setup here, this prom here and here, delay here, the pixel screen first and information first, delay here. So this the programming for sound here, expressive here, Arduino here, baseplate here, screen here, the sound sensor here, the LEDs here, speaker here, now no, but for yes, baseplate here, the computer and expressive and programming here.
Programming, Arduino.
Programming here and C. Programming first, the computer, and C is perfect here, and download for expressive here, and perfect. Now perfect here, so here the and good, and now the so now the here and back. So perfect.
Gravity, analog sound sensor. This analog sound sensor is compatible with Arduino, detects sound intensity, and features improved voltage range and interfaces. Suitable for DIY projects. Sound sensor is typically used in detecting the loudness and ambient. The Arduino can collect its output signal and actuate accordingly. You may use it to make some funny interactive works such as a clap and buzz to find your lost keys. Gravity, digital speaker module. This speaker module features an 8002 amplifier IC, adjustable volume, digital interface, and compact design, suitable for Arduino projects with voltage range 2.0 to 5.5 volt. Don Luke Electronics. Curriculum Vitae. JLP Consultants. Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, TikTok.